Look. Just look.
Hello everyone, my name is Napkin Nexter, and welcome to Pittsburgh.
Tropical storm.
No, I said it.
Just look. Huge winds. I don't know what's going on with the weather here. It is 4th of July, and it's so sad that you can't even put on the fireworks. It's just a big man storm. There was a storm coverage around an angle of 120 degrees. Not sure how much otherwise, but that's pretty big of a storm. And so this is gonna last for a long time. Yesterday there was like a storm. There wasn't so much winds here, but there was insane flash flooding, and poor people got their house flooded yesterday. But now it is a tropical storm. I don't know what storm it could have been. Last storm, it was Tropical Storm Nate. I don't know which storm this could be otherwise, but I'll do more research on that later. Anyway, thanks for watching this video on Napkin Nexter. And don't hesitate to drop a like or subscribe to my channel.